Take your Maths Ahead book with you, okay? Maths Ahead book, pencil and eraser. Keep it that with you.
And page number?
I'll let you know it after some time, okay?
मैम प्रयाग मना कर रहा है.
Prayag, where are you?
आज तो उसका रीडिंग क्लास भी है.
Yes. प्रयाग, आपको भी क्लास में बैठना है बच्चा. You have to learn.
बबू यहीं आओ.
चलो, come on, come fast, प्रयाग.
Good boy now.
Nivan, you are a good boy. चलो प्रयाग, come on, प्रयाग, come fast. प्रयाग, प्रयाग, अभी तो आपको रीडिंग क्लास भी अटेंड करनी है आज टुडे. Ayansh, I can't see you, bacha. Your camera is off from last so many class. I can see that today you also not on the camera. First class, second class. Yes. What happened to you? Feeling sleepy?
Yes, ma'am.
I can see from your face. Chalo, very good boy, Prayag. Very good boy. Oh no, it's a bad manners. You are crying, but then also you are looking cute. You are crying, but then also you are looking cute. No? Oh, a big no. Now we will sit, you will listen. You have to study for your class, right? Each and every class. कहाँ ज़्यादा होता है, थोड़ा सा तो होता है. Then afterwards you can free. After reading class today, you have to attend the reading class also, okay? And after reading class, you are free. Okay? Chalo. Now, today we will start with one more topics. Khanak, please keep that aside. Don't play with that. Sit down now. So we'll start. Today's topic is bigger number and the smaller number. Okay? How to know what is bigger number and how to know what is smaller number? I will share you a video. We will watch a video and then we will get to know. Okay? Then I will explain you more in the detail. So I'm sharing you my screen. Just pay attention. Vedika, pay attention on the screen.
And bigger numbers. Count the objects in each group and write their number in the box. Write the bigger number in the circle. First, let us count the apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 apples. So write 5 in the box. Let's see how many custard apples are there. 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 custard apples. Okay, now you tell me. 3 is bigger or 5? You're right, it is 5. So write 5 in the circle. Let's count the number of sweets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 sweets. And how many ice creams are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 ice creams. So write 7 in the box. Now you tell me whether 6 is bigger or 7. Yes, it is 7. So write 7 in the circle. Count the objects and write their numbers in the box. Write the smaller number in the circle. Let us count the flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4,
I will ask you at the end,
5,
okay, if you will not pay attention.
6, 7. There are 7 flowers. So write 7 in the box. Let us count the butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 butterflies. So write 4 in the box. Now, 4 is smaller or 7? Yes, it is 4. So write 4 in the circle. Come on, kids. Let us count the brinjals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 brinjals, so we'll write 7 in the box. Lady fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lady fingers. So write 5 in the box. Now 7 is smaller or 5? Yes, it is 5. So write 5 in the circle. Put a circle around the bigger number. 3 is bigger or 5? It is 5. So put a circle around 5. Now we have 2 and 1.
From 2 and 1, which is
You're
bigger?
right. 2 is bigger than 1.
2 is bigger.
So we'll put a circle around 2. 4, 3.
Which is
Right
bigger?
again. 4 is bigger than 3. So we'll put a circle around 4.
Grammarly does more than catch errors. With Grammarly, you can find really good, no, perfect words that make your writing sharp, or explicit, or excellent, or distinctive. As a matter of fact, for what it's worth, Grammarly can, yeah, that's long. We can get rid of that.
Okay, so we have learned about bigger number and smaller number, right? So if you have how to know what is bigger and what is smaller, if you count something, the number is more, that is bigger. If you count something that is less than that, another number, that is smaller. If I have 4 number here and if I have 1 number here, which number is bigger? Which number is bigger? Number 4, right? Yes. Yes. Now, if I will tell you, I have number 2 here and number 0. Okay. So, which number is smaller? 2. I have 2 and 0. So, 0, there is nothing in there. So, we will say 0. If I have 6 number and I have 10 number. So, which number is smaller? 6 or 10? 6. So, how to know you will count the number? Because just see, normal thing, when you go to the number line, the smaller numbers come before and the bigger numbers go back. Okay. So, whenever we are asking for bigger number, the next number, whatever, if I will say 3, what will come after 3? Number 4. So, number 4 is bigger than number 3. And number 3 is... If I am talking about number 3 and number 4, I will say number 4 is bigger than number 3. And if I was talking about number 3 is smaller than number 4. Okay, so you have to be clear with this concept. Now take your maths ahead book, open page number 45. Take your maths ahead book, open page number 45. Page number 45. Okay, in page number 45, it is written about circle the bigger number. Okay, so here there are the objects, they have counted and they have written the numbers down. Okay, you have to circle which number is bigger than number. Okay? Very good, Kia. Just wait for others to complete. Here we have 6 pencil and here we have 4 pencil. So which number is bigger? So you will circle the number 6. Okay. Then next is we have some balls, right? One side there is 8 ball and other side there is a 5 ball. Okay. So which number is bigger, number 8 or number 5? Okay, Vedika. So number 8 is bigger. And the last we have number 10 and number 8. So here which number is bigger? Number 10 is bigger or number 8 is bigger? Yes, Nivand, correct. Number 10 is bigger. Number 10 is bigger than number 8. Now what you have to do? You have to turn the page and open the page number 46. Open the page number 46. Over there, the question is that you have to circle the smaller number. Okay, here you have to circle the smaller number. Hey, please change your background. Because of your background, I can't see your books and everything properly. Okay, Kia, good bacha. So here we have to circle the smaller number. So what you have to do, you have to see the number. The first is flower. Here we have 4, here we have 2. So which is the smaller, 4 or 2? So number 2. So you have to circle number 2. Then we have balloons, right? Here we have balloons. 1, 2, 3 balloons and here we have 1 balloon. Which is the smaller one? Correct. 1 balloon. Yes, Shiven, it is right. So you have to circle number 1. Okay, the one who has finished, that is very good. I'm just checking all the answer so you can check it out. Then we have bananas. Here we have 6 bananas and here we have 7 bananas. 6. So, 6 bananas. Yes, is smaller than 7. So 6. You have to circle the number 6. Then the last we have some toy, baby toy. So here we have 5 and here we have 7. So which is the smaller one? 5. Yes. 5. So this is the, you have to complete it. Now close your book. Keep it aside. Now, you have to show me, anybody's left to complete? No? Yes, Danish is done. I can see even Imai is writing. Paki, are you done? Okay, Danish. Now class, what you have to do, you have to take out some object. In one hand, it should be less number and in one hand, it should be more number. And then you will tell me which is bigger one than which number and which is smaller than which number. You have to say the full sentence. Go and bring some objects. Okay, Danish?
I can't understand.
Okay, Prayag, no problem. I was just telling you have to bring some objects and you have to show me which is the bigger number. Bigger number. For example, if I have some pencils, 3 pencil in my one hand and 4 pencil in my another hand, I will ask you which is the bigger one. So you have to show me 4 pencil. If I will ask you which is the smaller one, you will show me 2 pencil.
There are 3 nerves, ma'am. There are 1 nerve.
Okay, just a minute. 2 and 3. मैंने आपको सिर्फ ये बोला है कि आप ऑब्जेक्ट्स लेके आएंगे. I will ask you question. You will not say anything right now. You will just go and bring your objects and put it in your hand and keep it in your hand.
I do sketch pen or then
You can take any object. You can take any objects, and please, class, keep your microphone off. Without my permission, nobody will on your microphone. I will not listen to any of you if you will keep your microphone on in between. Every time I have to repeat the same thing. When ma'am is saying something, you at least listen first to me and then you will say anything to me. Ma'am का finish करने का तो आप wait कीजिए. Paki, please mute your microphone. If you will speak together, ma'am, I don't like this, huh, class? This is the warning to you. You will not repeat this thing again. If you will repeat the things, this thing again, I will remove from your class. I will remove it. If ma'am is saying something to you, you have to keep your object with you. I will ask you. Everybody, I'm giving you chance to each and everyone. It is not necessary I'm giving only one child or 2 child giving a chance. So no need to shout, wait for your turn. And if you didn't get a turn, then at the end you can tell me, ma'am, I didn't get chance. But nobody will speak in between. Now, if anybody will speak in between ma'am करके, तो मैं seriously उसको class में से I will remove you from the class. You have a symbol to put your raise your hand. Whenever I'm delivering, I'm explaining you something, you started shouting ma'am. Now everybody has your object, right? You have your object. Then I don't want to listen anything. How many you have in one hand and how many you have in another hand. I will just tell you the bigger number you have to show. So whatever you have a bigger number comparison between you both hand, you have to show me that. Okay? आपके हाथ में जब भी दोनों हाथ में आपके ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं, जो भी हाथ में आपका बिगर ऑब्जेक्ट्स होगा, बिगर नंबर वाला होगा, दैट यू विल शो मी. इफ इट इज स्मॉलर, आई विल आस्क स्मॉलर, तो आप स्मॉलर शो करोगे. You will not tell ki ma'am this is 3, this is 4. You will not say anything in between. Okay? You are ready. You have to keep in one hand a smaller number object, in one hand the bigger number object. Okay? Chalo. Now, show me the smaller one. Show me the smaller number. Okay, I can see Vedika is showing me 2. Paki is showing me 2. Shivan is showing me 1. Yanvi is showing me 1. Khanak is showing me 1. Shlok is showing me the screw, 1 screw. Yes, Laksh is showing me 1 eraser. Ayash, show me which is the smaller one. Okay, I can see the 2 fork. What about Heth? Heth, how you are sitting? Okay, 1 you have in another hand. That is smaller. And now show me. Yes, Nivan is also showing me 2 pencils. So 2 is the smaller one. Now show me the bigger one. Show me the bigger one. Okay, Khanek is having 2. Yanvi, okay, sorry. Paki, you have to show me the bigger one. Bigger number. Shivan is having lots of pencil. I can see 3 or 4. Laksh is also correct. Yanvi is also correct. Khanak is also correct. Himay, you are also correct. Danish, you are wrong. You have kept the same numbers in both the hand. 1 is wrong. You have to keep it in one hand too, if it is the number. Yes, Paki, it is correct. Nivan? I think so it is 3, right? 3 or 4? Okay, 3. Okay, 4. So correct. So see, this is the basic thing. Now keep the things down. Everyone just keep the things down. This is the basic thing. जहाँ पे भी आपको number counting में ज़्यादा है, the number is more. Over there it is a bigger number. When the counting at that time the number is smaller, less object, that is smaller number. Less means smaller, more means bigger. Okay. Now here ma'am is ending our maths class. We have completed the page and the class is over. Today who has to attend the reading class? That is Prayag, Pakhi and Shri. Okay, you have to attend the reading class.
Ma'am, my turn is. Ma'am, my turn is.
Vedika, you don't know when it is your turn. Every time I'm telling you, you should know your day. Did I told your name, Vedika? So?
Ma'am.
Yes, Khana.
Ma'am. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, class.